Wow, it's really a fat one.
Yeah. Yo, it is.
You might notice some purple bruising on the inside.
Oh.
That's all normal.
Well, what's that?
Of course.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Hold on, hold
They
on.
did to your nose. It's okay.
I can't see anything.
I don't do it. Oh, you don't? That's why they got you on the end. They tried to wedge a cork in your nose.
Crap.
See, people don't realize there's nothing in Pennsylvania that regulates. You can open up a shop and say you're not a Pierce, whether or not you did anything. We have to have a standard business license. That's it.
Huh? You did this to her, right?
You're actually my first.
Oh, God.
I've been doing it for almost 9 years. So when you're ready, ready?
Oh, God. Yeah, I guess.
Deep breath in. Breathe out.
Is it in?
Yep, that's your jewelry. How'd it feel?
Not as bad as I thought.
Want me to do the bigger needle?
No, it's done.
It's done.
You're awesome. Oh, thank you, Monica.